Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to perform multiple linear regression model and its interpretation. You can find more videos on data analysis using JAMOVI, Excel, SPSS and RStudio on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's understand the meaning of multiple linear regression model, that is MLRM. Multiple linear regression model is an extension of simple linear regression model in which we have two or more independent variables and one dependent variable. And we are interested to know the relationship between two or more independent variables and one dependent variable. So what is the general form of multiple linear regression model? So it is y is equal to alpha plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus up to plus beta k xk plus mu. That is the general form. Now let's understand this data set. Here I have three variables: wage, wage rate, that is wage per month in US dollars, education, that is years of education, and experience. So now we know that wage rate depends on education and experience. So therefore this is our dependent variable and these two are our independent variables. So how do we write the model? So model can be written as wage rate is equal to alpha plus beta 1 education plus beta 2 experience plus error term. This is our model, multiple linear regression model. Now let's see how to perform multiple linear regression model. So first you go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of regression. In regression, select linear regression. So what is our dependent variable? Wage rate is our dependent variable, so move it to the dependent variable box. Education and experience are our independent variables, so move them to covariates box. And then you go to model fit, and in model fit select F test. By default R and R square both are selected and we are going to select F test. So now let's understand the result. So first we are going to check the overall significance of the model. So here you can see F statistic is 46.9 and associated p-value is less than 0.05. That shows that our model is statistically significant, or model is better than the intercept only model. This says that our model is better than intercept only model. So this F test shows the overall significance of the regression model. And since it is statistically significant, we can conclude that our model is better than the intercept only model. Now we are going to check values of coefficients. So here we have values of coefficient. First is intercept, that is 296.3. associated p-value is less than 0.05, therefore it is statistically significant. Then we have education, value is 20.9, associated p-value is less than 0.05, therefore it is also statistically significant. And value of the coefficient of experience is 40.7, p-value is less than 0.05, therefore it is also statistically significant. So now let's write the model. So we can write wage rate is equal to 296.3 plus 20.9 education plus 40.7 experience. This is our model. Now how to interpret these coefficients 20.9 and 40.7? It means that if education increases by 1 unit, the wage rate will increase by 20.9 US dollars. Similarly, if experience increases by 1 unit, let's say 1 year, the wage rate will increase by 40.7 US dollars. So this is how we interpret the regression coefficients. And if these two are 0, that means our alpha, this is our alpha, that is 296.3, that shows the intercept. So this is how we perform the multiple linear regression model and we interpret the coefficients and overall model. Now we are going to see coefficient of determination. So here we have the value of R square, that is coefficient of determination. Then the value is 0.717, that means 71.7% variation in wage rate. 71.7% variation in wage rate can be explained by our independent variables, that is education and experience. 71.7% variation in wage rate can be explained by education and experience. So that's the idea of multiple linear regression model. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.